everybody. Hello, hello, hello. Gusto lang ko mo great og happy birthday kang guwapa Hazel. Hazel, happy birthday. Wish you all the best, especially to your health. And more birthdays to come in your life. More candles to blow, more cake to slice. So, sabay ako masulting line. Basta enjoy your day. God bless you and stay humble, stay pretty always. Amping kanunay diha. Maura to. May masulti. Ngalain. So, happy birthday ko pa Hazel. Thank you so much sa mga kamaayo. Basta, thank you so much sa support. Misan sa YT World na nagkaila. Wala tayo masulti, wala nilain. Basta, happy birthday! Bye-bye! Enjoy your day, guwapa! Bye-bye! God bless!
Hazel, happy birthday. Continue with your wonderful mga content, yung kaseksihan mo, at saka yung ating mga bags na pinagmumodelan, di ba? Sana huwag kang magbabago and always stay as what you are. And may you have many more blessings to come. May you have many more birthdays to come. Happy birthday.
I'm gonna shout out to all of you, and I'm gonna greeting for Guapa Hazel and for your and thank you so much for the long friendship and white word, and I'm gonna say happy birthday Guapa Hazel. I wish you a good health and more birthday to come. And yun lang po ang sasabihin ko. Maraming salamat and God bless you and enjoy your special day. Love you. Mwah.
Happy birthday, Guapa! Guapa, thank you sa lahat ng mga biyaya na binigay mo sa amin. Thank you sa support. Thank you dahil napakabuti mong tao, ang bait-bait mo, ang lawak ng puso mo. Thank you din basta sa lahat ng naitulong mo sa amin. At saka, alam ko na mas marami pang ibibigay si God na biyaya para sa'yo kasi napakaganda ng loob mo. Nagpapasalamat ako na nakilala kita kahit sa YT lang. Maraming salamat. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. More birthdays to come and more candles to blow. Thank you so much, Guapa. Happy birthday and enjoy your day. I love you. Happy birthday. Love you, Guapa.
Hello guys. Good morning, good evening. So, andito po ako today dahil babatiin ko lang ang aking one of my VIP member, Kawaii. Guapa Hazel's Emporium! Happy birthday, Guapa! I know nag-enjoy ka ngayon kasi birthday mo. Araw-araw ka naman talaga nag-enjoy. So, wish ko sa'yo is good health talaga kasi alam mo na, hindi naman na tayo bumabata. So, kailangan natin ng good health. And also, nasa iyo naman na talaga lahat, Guapa. You are so blessed because you are so kind person. Of course, generous na din as in. And deserve mo naman talaga lahat ng blessings na natatanggap mo. So, pag happy ka, happy rin kami mga team ka-artista. Happy birthday, Guapa! Ayan. Dahil birthday mo, nag-red talaga ako. Actually, syempre kailangan ko talaga magbonggang prepared kasi syempre VIP ko yan eh. So, hindi po ako may birthday ha. Nag-red lang talaga ako kasi birthday ng ating Queen of Tryon in YouTube. Ayan. Alam mo naman na ikaw yung ikaw yung idol ko sa YT because of you. Nakakapagsuot na ako ng mga hindi ko sinusuot dati. Ikaw yung nagbigay ng ikaw ang nagbigay ng lakas ng loob sa akin ng magganon. Pero hanggang lang ako, hanggang try on ng mga sleepwear, mga crop top lang ako. Sa'yo pa rin ang corona ng mga tong. ikaw pa rin ang queen of try-on. So, happy birthday, Gwapa. Mahal na mahal ka namin ng mga team ka-artista. Alam mo yan, diba? So, andito lang naman kami. Laging mag-support sa'yo as always talaga. So, happy birthday, Gwapa. This is all yours. And enjoy life and continue helping others. Ayan. Thank you, Gwapa. Happy birthday. I love you from Team Ka-Artista. Bye! Happy birthday!
Hello, hello, hello. I just want to greet happy birthday to Madam Gwapa Hazel Emporium. Thank you so much sa lahat po ng shinare nyo na blessings sa amin. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga pa-sponsor. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat po. And happy birthday. I wish you all the best. I wish you nothing but the best of everything. And more blessings to come, more collaboration, more reviews, and more bags, more shoes, and everything. Maraming salamat. I wish na mas lalo pang lumaki yung community na nagpapa-review sa'yo, nagko-collab sa'yo, and syempre, always good health, more blessings to come, more happiness in life and love. Maraming salamat, and thank you so much sa lahat ng support ninyo sa amin. Though alam namin na busy person po kayo, andun pa rin yung support ninyo sa amin. Maraming salamat. And Team Ka-Artista will always be support sa channel mo and sa lahat ng reviews and collaborations nyo. Nandito lang po kami, laging support po sa inyo. Maraming salamat. Happy birthday, more blessings to come, more good health, and more happiness, more love. Thank you so much. Happy birthday po.
Hi, Gwapa! This is our super late birthday greetings from Ka-Artista. Ano siya? Wait lang to. So anyway, thank you so much and happy birthday. Ang buong Ka-Artista andito lang sa'yo, magsusuporta no matter what, and sa ating milestone dito here sa YouTube world. Ano tayo 28 months na tayo nagbabanding dito sa ating YouTube, and hopefully we will meet personally. I would love that one day na magkita tayo, and wish ko lang sa'yo is more collab, more successful try on, and good health yung pinaka top one sa wishes ko, aside from harmonious living with your family and loved ones. So thank you so much on behalf of the Ka-Artista team, supporters. We are not really a team, we are supporters. So we would like to say thank you for your love and your kindness to Eileen, and sa mga blessings na sinishare mo. Thank you so much, and hopefully okay na yung health mo din, perfectly okay after yung pinagdaanan mo. So thank you so much, and we love you.